Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by assembling ingredients and tools: a shallow bowl, slotted spoon, small saucepan, and a plate. Use 2 large eggs at room temperature to promote even cooking and gentle set. Crack eggs into the bowl and whisk with 1 tablespoon water or cream until blended and slightly frothy to incorporate air. Season with 1/4 tsp salt and 1/8 tsp pepper, stirring once more. Keep a small ramekin of cold water nearby to wipe the spoon and a clean kitchen towel under your work area. Heat a saucepan with about 1 quart water and 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Bring to a gentle simmer at roughly 180 degrees F so bubbles only break at the surface. Swirl the water to create a slow whirlpool, then slide in the beaten eggs carefully from a ramekin so they fold into themselves and form a tidy omelet. Maintain the gentle simmer and resist stirring. Poach 2 eggs for 3.5 minutes for set whites and runny yolks. Use a slotted spoon to test firmness once the surface looks opaque. When the omelet reaches your preferred doneness, lift the poached omelet with a slotted spoon onto a paper towel to drain excess water, then gently fold or roll it onto a warm plate to retain heat. Top immediately with 1 tablespoon butter, scatter fresh herbs like chives or parsley, and add 1 oz grated cheese if desired for richness. For a denser, creamier texture, add 1 tablespoon cream to eggs before whisking. Serve with toast or salad and adjust seasoning. Leftovers reheat briefly in a pan over low heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.